Imagine your whole neighborhood coming together, cleaning up the park, helping at food banks, or making sure kids get to school safely. That's called community engagement. But wait, what is community engagement really? It's not just showing up. It's about caring. It's about working together to make our homes, streets, and cities better. It means listening to each other, solving problems, and making sure everyone's voice matters. Why does this matter? Well, think about this. If a city wants to build a new playground, wouldn't it be smart to ask kids, parents, and neighbors what they actually want? When people are part of the plan, it turns out better, and everyone feels proud of it. When we work together like this, we build trust, teamwork, and stronger communities, especially when times get tough. Here are 5 simple ways community engagement makes a big impact. Number 1, trust grows. When schools or groups ask their communities what they think, it builds respect. Like a college that holds town halls to hear from students, everyone feels included. Number 2, better results. A food program that asks locals what's really needed, wastes less and helps more. Smart, right? Number 3, fresh ideas. When different people come together, cool things happen, like a small town throwing a fun arts festival because everyone helped plan it. Number 4, stronger connections. Helping out in a community garden? You're not just growing veggies, you're growing friendships too. Number 5, ready for the future. When a storm hits or there's a big problem, communities that already work together can bounce back faster. That's the power of teamwork. And here's the cool part. In 2025, we're using tech to stay connected. One awesome tool is called Kannect. It helps schools, groups, and neighborhoods organize everything, from messages and meetings to events and volunteers, all in one place. Imagine your school PTA using Kannect to keep parents in the loop, or a local art group using it to plan a mural project with the whole town. Simple, smooth, and super helpful. So how do you get involved? Start small, listen more, join in, use tools like Kannect, include everyone, and don't forget to celebrate the wins, big or small, because in the end, community engagement means showing up, speaking up, and lifting each other up. Ready to make a difference? Subscribe and try Kannect for free and be part of something powerful. Let's build better communities together.